Video, continue. Hey fam, it's another vlog. Whoop, whoop. इस वीक का सीन ये था कि मैंने पूरा हफ्ता बिल्कुल व्लॉग नहीं किया क्योंकि कुछ एक्साइटिंग नहीं हो रहा था। अब काफ़ी मंडेन रूटीन की चीज़ें हो रही थी, लेकिन आई स्टार्टेड लर्निंग टू ड्राइव। आई फिल्म लिटिल बिट ऑफ दैट। जब मैं पहले दिन गई थी तो तब मैंने फिल्म किया था, तो मैंने सोचा आई इंक्लूड दिस इन अ व्लॉग। लेकिन अभी ये सीन है कि आज है मेरे कज़न की शादी और आई हैव बिन वांटिंग टू व्लॉग अ शादी फॉर सच अ लॉन्ग टाइम। मुझे अपने भाई की शादी पे भी व्लॉग करना था, लेकिन यू नो इट गेट्स सो हेक्टिक ना कि मतलब when it's like such a close शादी। लेकिन this one is my first cousins, तो इतना फिर भी नहीं होगा ना सीन, तो that's why I'm going to vlog today। और रिदा लोग भी आ रहे हैं। I'll try to film like a get ready with her, लेकिन मतलब सब औरतें तैयार हो रही होती हैं ना, तो इतना रश होता है घर में कि it's like not safe, you know। कर my hair, आप जाके देखें कि खदीजा, actually this was not my first time driving, मैंने पहले सीखी हुई है, पर like कोई 8 साल पहले सीखी थी और अब मुझे याद भी नहीं है। सो बेसिकली फर्स्ट टाइम, राइट। इट्स क्वाइट एम्बैरेसिंग फुटेज, तो प्लीज बी काइंड ऑन मी। आई एम गोइंग टू लेट यू गाइस गो वॉच दैट जब तक मैं अपने बाल कट कर लूँ। तो अच्छी भी समझ में इतनी छड़ भी जाको
बस 5 का पेरी हाँ हाँ
गेयर हमेशा विसरूंगा। लर्निंग टू ड्राइव फॉर कंटेंट। मुझे तो परफॉर्मेंस किया भाई लगे
सही है माशाल्लाह।
छुट्टी है ना?
हाँ तुम्हारा 10 डेज में तैयार थी ना
बस बेटा, तू अकेला हो सकती। To the day of शादी, and this is how I welcome everyone who comes to my house. So yeah. Hello.
You're too much reading. Can you not? No, put it back.
What the hell are you
Put
doing?
it back. My mom wants half samosa. But Aisha used to do dieting.
There's no such thing.
Aisha used to do this. Take out all of the filling and then eat it. My vlogging.
Gosh. If you guys shut up, then I can say it. Or put that in. I'm trading with my cup.
Hello friends. Hi PEELO. Footage. How do I zoom in?
Now please look at what she's doing.
Doesn't trust me.
No, I know you're going to do good.
But like, not as good.
Triggered.
Or like the lipstick, should I change my lipstick?
No, it's fine. Sister, if you want to so bad, then do it because no one can stop you. No one cares either. I'm sad.
Guys, I did not ask them to do this.
Of course you didn't. We all know you did.
You're so fat.
Excuse me, no fat shaming here. Comments are enough.
I don't know why.
That's good on the vlog.
I feel like I've ended up with the same lip color that I started.
Exactly. Because you're dumb.
Just stop, you look like the Tin Man already.
I have a blue lipstick, you know. The next one.
Okay. Excuse me. Walking the stairs.
Yeah, sure. I'll pop up first.
When someone randomly says hi to you but you have no idea who that person is, so you just say hi but you don't even know.
Because you are.
We're obviously at the shaadi now. Do you want to come?
Sure, I look ugly.
No, she doesn't. She looks so nice. I love the hoops. Also, my hair.
Know what they say.
But my hair has just gone like flat. The lighting here is really nice. was one of those people.
One of those.
One of those people. All the children in this hall are screaming right now. So, and
At least 100 kids only.
100 kids.
100 kids, maybe more.
What is this? Why would you do that to Quaid-e-Azam? That's so rude.
What is it? It's his ear. It's his ear. Look. Okay, so there's not just a Quaid-e-Azam here. There's also. Wait, give me. Let me just zoom in. How do we zoom? Great शादी.
तो बेसिकली एक आंटी ने हम लोगों से पूछा कि इसमें चिकन है या नहीं, और जब हमने खोल के देखा तो हम पता नहीं क्यों क्रैक हो गए थे भूख में शायद, एंड वी केप्ट जस्ट सेइंग इट्स चिकन, सो एंजॉय दैट. आई सी
It's like the spring roll filling.
या इट हैज चिकन. वाओ, इज देयर चिकन और नो चिकन?
That's chicken.
आई थिंक इट्स चिकन.
That is chicken.
It is chicken. It is chicken. This is what my plate looks like. In case anybody was wondering, what does yours look like? Mine is literally empty. Me.
यार केक के
Continue. ना तेरे पास नहीं आई हूँ. जेको protest में तो उनके बता.
इसलिए पूरा congratulate लाया से हेड पर बिठा है.
The next day.
Where are they going? I thought you guys were going to break out.
Sad. Going to stylo. Let's wear stylos. Mummy, don't tell me.
We're in Tulafa again because I have to come here every day. I really like this one. Guys, how does this look? I really like the look of it. I love it. It's coming back in fashion. These guys are saying that it's a Amma Chappa, but it's not. I like it. It's so pretty. Yeah, I know. Okay. We're going to Oaks now. They are excited about us in Badami. Why is he in all of my vlogs? Squad.
Badami squad.
Not even that expensive. अब हम हॉकीज में हैं क्योंकि रदा को ब्लॉक हील्स चाहिए, लेकिन मिलेंगी नहीं, लेकिन मतलब पड़ी हुई हैं, लेकिन she just doesn't want them. See, do you like these?
No.
Should have vlogged her who was almost falling off of the escalator. Is that better? Can you see my double chin?
No, you can't.
Excuse me? That's so rude. मतलब हम लोग अभी यही बात कर रहे थे कि the mall is empty, like the shops are empty, like food court area is always full. मतलब कोई भी बैठने की जगह भी नहीं होती है. It's like, I mean,
This in the vlog, this is horrible. It's like it's this much chini. And
I just gave a disclaimer that I already said
No.
this is dumb. This is so bad.
I wanted juice.
This place, guys, nobody ever.
It's like it was this much sugar, this much milk, and then this much pineapple and coconut. Excuse me, no.
basically we are doing the four people. What is it called?
The magic trick.
The magic trick where you lift people up with like 2 fingers.
Like this.
Yeah. Like the gun motion. But anyway, these guys are going to pick me up. We just picked Anu up right now and we're going to pick me up. So I'm just going to set you guys here.
Like you has to go first. Okay, so I'm gonna go. No, it go has to go first and then. What the heck? I'm gonna go first. Do it.
See you guys going to the wrong.
It's okay. Move it. Aisha, up. Am I?
Like this or
Yeah,
not?
like that. Yeah, like that. Put it under her knee. Under her knee. This knee. 1, 2, 3, go. It almost worked. 1, 2, 3, go.
अच्छा, तो इन सब हरकतों के बाद हमारे पास ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं रह गया था, बट वी हैड टू गो टू द वलीमा जिसकी कल बारात थी, तो उसी के लिए हम जा रहे थे। और फिर लाइट इतनी अच्छी नहीं थी कि मैं ज़्यादातर फिल्म कर सकूं, लेकिन हेयर आर अ फ्यू क्लिप्स दैट आई फिल्म। एंजॉय।
Hello friends. Chai PEELO. And then classic English songs.
That vlogging you're under attack. कुछ भी नजर नहीं आ रहा, but like basically खाना नहीं खुला अभी तक।
Pray for my food. I want food.
खाना is here. Fake drill हो गई थी, लेकिन the light is also here, little bit sort of, लेकिन the खाना is here. That is the end of today's vlog, guys. Everybody has just gone back home. हर कोई अपने अपने घर चला गया है। तो अगर आपको मेरे आउटफिट की डिटेल्स पता करनी है, जैसे मैंने शादी पे क्या पहना था एंड एवरीथिंग लाइक दैट, सो दैट्स अप ऑन माई इंस्टाग्राम एज वेल। ये रहा मेरा इंस्टाग्राम और मेरे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में भी लिंक है। दैट्स ऑल। लेट मी नो अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई है। प्लीज़ डोंट लीव विदाउट सब्सक्राइबिंग एंड आई विल सी यू गाइस इन माय नेक्स्ट वन। सो देन टेक केयर, बाय।